Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw some fall leaves. So I'm going to show you how to draw three different types of leaves. To start the first one, I'm going to start right here on my paper and I'm just going to draw a line that is going to go up and then down with a curve like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this, and I'm going to go out just a little bit when I do that. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. Then starting here, I'm just going to curve out a little bit farther and then back in. And over here, I'm going to go out and then in. Then right here, I'm just going to curve in and out a little bit and then back in. And just do the same thing to the other side. Then right here, I'm just going to go out a little bit and then back in. And then same thing here. And then I just want these two to meet at a curved line like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up for the stem. Now, for the inside of the leaf, for the lines, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go all the way towards the top. And then I'm just going to draw some lines that are just kind of like V shapes. And they're just going to go to the ends of each of these bumps on the leaf. And then you can always add a few more little lines like this onto your leaf. And then you can always add a couple more here too. Just some little V's. Okay, now over here, let's make another type of leaf. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of go down, and I'm just going to make it kind of wavy like this. Then right here, I'm going to make it come to a point, and I'm going to do the same thing right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw some lines that go up. And then I'm going to just kind of curve them down like this. Then I'm just going to go up with some more of these bumpy lines. And then I'm just going to come down. I'm just going to kind of curve them around like this. Then I'm just going to curve the lines to connect. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up for the stem. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down here, and then a line that goes from here to here, and then a line that just goes from here to here. Then I'm just going to put some different V's going all the way down. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on this one. And then I'm going to do the same thing going down here. Now, starting right here for my last leaf, I'm just going to start a line right here that's just going to curve up and then down like this. Then I'm going to draw another line that's just going to curve out, and then it's just going to come back in and connect to here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, over, and then back towards the leaf. Then I'm just going to draw a nice little curved line from top to bottom. And I'm just going to add some V's going all the way down the leaf like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of some fall leaves. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.